Can you please just confirm whether you've applied for political asylum? That's all I want to know. Can you confirm that?
Sorry, no comment.
You owe a lot of people a lot of money, Mr. Modi.
Sorry, no comment.
No comment. We would very much like to know where you are.
Sorry, no comment.
How long do you intend to stay in England for? Government officials have told us that you've applied for political asylum, and government officials have also told us that you're the subject of an extradition treaty, extradition application. Could you just nod if you believe that to be the case?
Sorry, no comment.
You can't comment at all about anything. How long do you intend to stay in England? You can't tell me how long you intend to stay in England. You tell me about... Is he a friend of yours? Is he an associate of yours?
No comment.
You can't comment. Are you still trading in diamonds, Mr. Modi? We believe you're still trading in diamonds under the name. Is that right?
No comment.
You can't comment. Okay.